Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chinelo, and yes, this is Chinelo's corner. So guys, happy Sunday to you all. Yes, it's a sunny Sunday and I guess everyone is doing great. So guys, today I'm going to be making my hair, and it's not about making the hair. I just want to take you through how my afternoon went. I'll just make it my normal way. I don't want to see too much to be too full. I don't want it to be too long, so I can be free. I'll just occupy my hair with something. That's what I want. And I'll go ahead. I've already cut it out the way I want it, and I'm using color blue. It's a dark one. Then after that, I'll come back. This is not what this video is all about, but I just want to take you through what I did. Then I'll come back and show you how my hair looks and whatever or what else I have for you today. So guys, let's go. I'll just go ahead and brush it up, apply oil so it will look a bit shiny, and then start up. So I will be right back. But if you are new to this channel, you are coming across my video for the first time and you enjoy watching my video, don't forget to subscribe. That means I'm saying you should watch this video to the last. Watch it to the end and you will enjoy watching this video. So when you watch this video to the last and you enjoy watching, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, click on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video here. Like the video by giving it a thumbs up and share me out if you can. Yeah, comment in the comment section below as you will continue to enjoy from this channel the goodies and my daily vlog and all that this channel had to offer. Yes. So guys, I just want to say a big thank you to you, my returning subscribers. Yeah, my returning subscribers has made this channel a success. I will not fail to always acknowledge you. You have been there, and you are the reason why this channel is still here, why I'm still doing what I'm doing, because of your love. So a big thank you to you, my returning subscribers, and yes, my new subscribers, a big thank you to you also. And if you are new to this channel, watch till the end so you enjoy what I have for you on this video. So let's go on guys. Yeah, so apart from the fact that I'm using a different color this time around, I'm using blue, I had to make another style by giving it a little brush at the front of it. Yes, this time I didn't give it a pattern but a brush. I just wanted everything to be kind of neat at the front, so when I pack backward it will look neat. Yes, so that's what I did on this one guys. Yeah, you tell me what you think in the comment section, if I did well or not. Yeah, if it's beautiful or not. Yes guys. Yeah, hi guys, here's my hair. Yeah, I'm done. I finished a little bit late yesterday, so I just decided, okay, let me just leave it today before I'll show it to you guys. So I made a little bit different in this one because I gave it a little brush. Yeah, And I added just 2 of this color to it. Yeah. So yeah, I'm done. And it looks beautiful. I was contemplating on adding this one to it, this 2 color. As I was doing it, trust my guys, my nephew was not like, I don't like this color. I don't like this color. I don't like this color. So I just said, okay, I'll mix it. Should I add the other one? He said yes. I said, okay, fine. Case closed. That was how I added this to the front. So that's it. Just to give it a little bit, I don't know, upgrade or what. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's it. I hope it looks beautiful. I hope I did well. So in the mood of still looking beautiful, yeah, I just want to throw out 3 points on how to show affection to your partner. So guys, I'm giving this out to you especially. It applies to both the guys and the ladies out there, but guys, try and show appreciation. So that brings me to my first point. My first point is saying appreciation. Yes, that's my first point. Try and always show appreciation to your partner, no matter how little what they have done for you might seem, but always show appreciation. Even if they wash, they cook, or buy you gifts, whomever that does it, whether it's the guy or the lady, show appreciation. It matters a lot. Show appreciation and see the reaction of your partner and see if they will not do more. Yeah. If you show appreciation, it encourages your partner to do more, because they know that the person that they are buying or doing whatever they are doing for has this heart of appreciating, and it gives them joy to see you appreciate what they do for you. Then my second point is always make out time. Always make out time to be with your partner. Always make out time to sort out important situations. Always make out time to interact. And during the course of interaction, there will be some things that you will find out about your partner that you might have not even known before, and you will want to work on that particular thing together. Yes. My number 3 point here is, guys, always give a listening ear. It's very important. Always listen to your partner when they try to tell you how their day went, what they encountered, what happened in the office, what happened in the business place, what happened on the way home, what happened where they work. Like, seriously, always give a listening ear. And as you are giving this listening ear, try and maintain eye contact. It goes ahead to show that, yes, you are really paying attention. It goes ahead to show that you want to know. And this goes to show your partner that they are important, that she is important, that he is important. So guys, always try and show appreciation, give her time, and give that listening ear. It is very important. Yeah, it will make our relationship go stronger. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Yeah, if you do enjoy, please don't forget to subscribe. If you are new to this channel, I am talking to you especially. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you have already been to this channel and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit on that subscription button. There is a notification bell there that you will hit on, so you always be notified whenever I post a new one. Yeah, like this video by giving it a thumbs up. Share me out if you can, and comment in the comment section below. Yeah, that's all I have for you on this one. Until I come to your screen, like I always say, with another one. Stay blessed, and Chinelo loves you. Thank you for watching. Chinelo signing out. Bye bye.